Statistical process control. There are basically 5 tools for quality management system, and statistical process control is one of them. And basically, what is mean by statistical process control? So statistical process control is a tool which is used to monitor, control, and improve the process. And what is process? Process is a set of activities which transform into input into output. And for example, in here is input. For example, for this marker need a raw material, plastics, and these ink, nib, these are all the raw materials, and process it, and it gives output, the product. And statistical process control can also be defined as it is a method of monitoring and detecting variations in processes. So what is mean by variations? Variations mean change, and two objects which cannot be identical. It is the law of nature that two objects are two things which cannot be identical, and this difference and this change is called variation. Even in a two markers which made in a same company, which cannot be identical, which cannot be same, and these a little bit slightly difference between these two markers, so these variations is called, and this change is called variations. Even in a twins, they also have a slightly difference. They have different fingerprints, so these difference and this change is called variation. And there are types of variations. There are two types of variations. The one is chance causes, and the another one is assignable causes. So for chance causes, it is also called common cause, and for assignable causes, it is also called special cause. Because it is called common, because in every process there is a little bit chance, there is a little bit difference, there is a little bit a difference in them, which is maybe common. And for special cause, these are specials. Why these are special? Because these happen suddenly. These variations happen suddenly, so these are called special cause. And it is predictable. The supervisors know about them, that these chance causes are common, these causes are common. And it is unpredictable. The supervisors don't know about them. They are suddenly occur in a process, and the process will be rejected. Okay. And another one is repeated. The chance causes is a repeated, and these assignable causes is not repeated. When they come, and then the supervisor try to remove these assignable causes, because it destroy the process, it reject the process. So that's why they are try to remove these assignable causes. And chance causes variations means the process is in control, and assignable causes means the process is out of control. These are out of control, so that's why they want to remove these assignable causes, these variations. And these are in control, because in everything there is a little bit variations, so the process not be rejected from these common causes, but from assignable causes the process will be rejected. So these are out of control when the assignable causes, so the supervisor wanted to remove these assignable causes. अब इनकी एक इस तरह एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई फ्रेंच फ्राइज़ बना रहे हैं ना, ठीक है, तो इन फ्रेंच फ्राइज़ में अब ऐसे हैं कि कुछ बहुत क्रिस्पी हैं और कुछ लेस क्रिस्पी है, तो ये हमारे पास क्या है, कॉमन काज है, ठीक है, चांस काजेस हैं, कुछ बहुत क्रिस्पी है और कुछ लेस क्रिस्पी है, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर अचानक वो जल जाए ना, ठीक है, तो वो हमारे पास कौन सी काज हो गई, वो हमारे पास असाइनेबल काज है। वो फिर ये जो बनाने वाला होता है वो चाहता है कि ये मतलब कैसे जल गए, यानी वो जो द प्रोसेस आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो जाती है, ठीक है, तो वो चाहता है ना कि ये वेरिएशन जो है वो कंट्रोल करें प्रोसेस को, या चूल्हा कम कर लेते हैं ताकि वो दोबारा जल ना जाए जब और बना रहे होते हैं ना। तो ये हमारे पास अचानक आ जाती है ना, अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है। अनप्रिडिक्टेबल यानी उन्होंने ऐसा प्रेडिक्ट नहीं किया था कि वो जल जाएंगे, और नॉट रिपीटेड, इट्स नॉट रिपीटेड। और दीज